Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. So from the other day, my hair has been feeling kind of flat and just not itself. I did give it a trim the other day just to get rid of the single strand knots and any split ends I would have, but it's just not feeling like itself. To be fair, I do need a wash literally right now. I'm taking my hair out of some twists, as you can see. So I'm going to be applying the Bentonite clay mask. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it and how I apply it in my hair. So keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be using is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. I love this thing. And then we're also going to be using the apple cider vinegar, the organic one. I really love this brand specifically because it is organic and it has the ingredient that says with the mother. Really and truly, you can use any apple cider vinegar, but I prefer to use this one. Now you can grab either a plastic, wooden or ceramic bowl and use a wooden spoon to mix all of your ingredients together. It's not recommended to use like metal objects to mix your ingredients or even to have the ingredients in, because it will react with the bentonite clay and cause a chemical reaction, and that will reduce the effectiveness of the bentonite clay mask. I actually ended up using a knife because that was the only thing that I could find that wasn't metal at the moment. So yeah. Guys, when you see that bubbling occurring when I mix the apple cider vinegar and the clay mask together, that's completely normal. It's just a reaction that occurs when you do this. Also, when you're mixing your product, make sure you take into consideration the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair to make sure you're adding enough product to cover all of your hair shaft, and also to make sure you have the correct consistency between the products that you're using. You can add extra things to the clay mask if you please. You can add water if you want instead of apple cider vinegar, or you can use both. You can add vitamin E oil or castor oil if you want. I just prefer to use these two ingredients. It's quick and fast, and also it's what works for my hair. Okay guys, so my hair right now is just drenched in water. It hasn't been shampooed as yet. I'm just doing this to prevent any extra stripping of my hair from the mask. I make sure to section my curls before applying the mixture and make sure each section is wet before applying, which is why I drenched my hair. I make sure to start from the roots and massage some of the clay from my roots straight down to the tips of my hair, because once the clay mask dries, it will get hard and it will be hard to return to any section of hair. So I make sure that each section of my hair is fully covered in the clay mask. You can use your hands to actually touch the clay mask directly. I'm just using the gloves because it made it easier for me and I didn't want the clay getting into my nails and stuff. So I would recommend using gloves if you have them. As to how often I use the clay mask, honestly, I use it whenever my hair feels like it's just not, like my products are just not working anymore, or my hair just feels dull and sad, because using the bentonite clay, it purges your hair of all the toxins that you come in contact with daily, and it just deeply cleanses your scalp. It removes dead cells and toxins. It washes the toxins out of your hair, and it also strengthens your hair and prevents hair loss by cleaning the follicles so that your hair can absorb water, which is moisture, which will help it to grow, and then you will have healthier hair. So the way in which the bentonite clay works is that it has negative charge, so it attracts positively charged products that build up on your hair and scalp. So it works as a clarifier and a detoxifier. Think about it like a magnet for product buildup. So when you wash the clay out of your hair, you remove all the impurities and build up with the clay mask that you're washing out. So because the clay mask has this kind of negative property, it makes it effective in drawing out toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, and impurities. It's also antimicrobial, so it helps with irritated and flaky scalps. So overall, it helps with healthy scalp and a healthy hair, which is why I love this thing. The bentonite clay contains a mixture of natural minerals that are beneficial to our hair and can encourage hair growth. So this is why I love it. It moisturizes it conditions, it softens, and it helps to reduce frizz and encourages curl definition and shine. So whenever my hair needs that reboot, this is my go-to thing to do, and it really brings my hair back to life. Right now my hair is completely dry with the bentonite clay in. I'm just going to go and wash it out right now, and then we're gonna see how different my hair looks.
Hey guys, so I am back, and right now my hair is dry. You can tell it is real crispy. Okay, so I am going to wash it out under the shower right now. It's pretty hard. I don't want to manipulate it too much and cause any unnecessary breakage, so we'll be right back.
Okay guys, so when you're washing out the bentonite clay, it can be a little difficult, but you have to make sure you get every single bit of it out of your hair when you're rinsing it out. Look at the difference with my hair, guys. You can actually see the difference with the shine, and compared to what it used to look like before, my hair just looks darker, healthier. My curls are popping with no products in it at all. Right now I'm just gonna go and deep condition my hair after I finish filming, and then that's it. That's all. Look at the difference with my hair, guys. It's unbelievable. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye, see you next time.